Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I want to introduce you to a very innovative product from Meyer. It is known as the knife and utensil station. So what this is basically a stand for all your kitchen accessories made in a very innovative way. Now let's check out some of its features. This knife and utensil station comes with a knife rack, a slot to keep all your accessories, a knife sharpener that is inbuilt, a drip tray that also doubles as a tray to keep all your ladles or slotted turners while you're cooking. All you have to do is stack your knives in the zigzag grooves present in the knife stand. In case your knives are wet, all the drippings will be collected in the drip tray present below. The drip tray at the bottom not only collects the dripping water from your knives and accessories, but it also doubles as a tray for your ladles or turners while cooking. To use the knife sharpener, simply slide and remove the sharpener from its slot and then run the blade through the grooves 4 to 5 times to get a razor sharp blade. In short, this one station will be the only organizer your kitchen would ever require.